Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to eject a disc on your PlayStation 4 if the physical button on it is actually broken. So I'm going to place this into my PlayStation 4 right now. And what I want to do is go over the application. So here is my game Battlefield 4. And you can see I have a little disc icon right here indicating it's plugged in. And it just popped up over here. Now, if the button is broken, go over the app, press options on it, and you will get options under here. And one of them will be remove disk. If we press this, the disk should pop out. So let's press this and then go over to my PlayStation 4 and you will see the disk is going to be popping out right now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.